I'm Florence Azria. I am so excited to have you here with me today. Now I'm gonna make the raspberry puree. Using a blender, I'm gonna blend raspberries and sugar. I'm gonna soak 6 sheets of gelatin. I am pouring a little bit of puree and I'm gonna warm it up a little so it will be easier to dissolve the gelatin into it and everything will be at the same temperature. So now I am going to make the cream. So it's whipping cream. And I'm gonna beat it until it reaches a hard peak. I'm gonna check my cream to make sure that it's perfect consistency, which it is. So now my gelatin should be about ready. So I'm gonna squeeze it and add it to the warm raspberries. So see how it dissolves? Much easier. I'm gonna start incorporating the puree to the cream. So see how firm my cream is? I'm going to add the puree a little at a time. So I'm adding the rest of the raspberry puree to my cream. Gently motion clockwise, always lifting from the bottom up. And now I'm gonna add the gelatin dissolve in the raspberry puree. That's what's gonna hold basically the cream. When you heat up the raspberry puree, don't overheat it because you don't want it to cook. You just have to warm. It smells like spring and joy and happiness and life. So the gelatin is gonna harden and it's gonna harden the cream. So usually I do it overnight and leave it in the fridge. I hope you enjoyed baking with me today. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Delightful Mrs. Azria. We will be dropping a video every Thursday at 6 p.m. See you soon. Bye-bye.